So we ended up at the Buffet Asia on Tropicana.
No, you're always on Rainbow.
On Rainbow. But I get Asia Buffet and Buffet Asia switched. I guess there is an Asia Buffet as well. The window there is right on the side there. But so we're starting. There was no line because they were having a private party, and they were open early. Yay! So we got here at 10:30. Typically it opens at 11. So we started with our soup. And Mitchell has already eaten half his, but he gets the
It's
seafood.
the best deal ever.
Yeah.
It's a Thai Vietnamese style seafood soup.
He eats more of that.
Did you show this?
Yeah. Lots of yummy things going on here. And I get the oxtail soup. And sushi and tempura. So we're gonna start with that. And that's just the appetizer. Mitchell will probably have like 2 more bowls of soup. You think?
Yeah, plates probably.